Hello dear friends, best greetings from Kyiv, capital of Ukraine. And today we have a very interesting and unique opportunity to visit the Natural History Museum of Ukraine at Bogdan Khmelnytsky Street in Kyiv, capital of Ukraine. And I'm in a very interesting exposition, entomological exposition, because I'm entomologist and this is part with Lepidoptera, with butterflies and moths. You can recognize here so colorful, very interesting tropical butterflies from different countries. Maybe some species have been already extincted because this exposition has been collected for many years by different people in different time. And you can see some of them bird wings, very colorful, green, red. And of course, you know that this one, for instance, very colorful because this is a male. Male is attracting female because female is gray, not so colorful. This is a female and this is a male. And in this one, in tropical Brazil, Venezuela, Ecuador and other countries of South America. As I said, some species can be extincted because of destruction of natural environment and because of sometimes over-collecting. Despite some collectors, insect collectors and insect hunters will deny it that over-collecting is not possible. But it's a questionable point because sometimes some not very devoted entomologists but devoted insect hunters over-collecting insects, collecting them in hundreds, thousands specimens, especially in tropical countries where they are collecting them for money and selling them abroad to some rich countries like United States and European countries as well. Nevertheless, some species can be demonstrated here, even in museum. In our museum here, for instance, some night moths with very big size, some butterflies, some moths, very small one. Despite that, they can be either well studied or weakly studied because some Lepidoptera have a small size and we have unstudied biology, and it's a question of time how to describe them, how to find new species. And it's possible if you are collecting insects, if you are collecting some tiny micro Lepidoptera in your country, maybe in some places where other people have no opportunity to attend. But you can collect it, you can send it to lepidopterists who is studying Lepidoptera. And maybe lepidopterists and other systematics can describe new species from other place where other people cannot attend easily, because it's quite difficult to come to tropical areas because of far distance, some tropical diseases and other reasons. But nevertheless, all entomological material from tropical regions is extremely valuable because the biodiversity of insects and other animals in tropical regions higher than in temperate regions. That's why if you have opportunity and permission to collect material in tropical region, you can do it. You can collaborate with systematics, with taxonomists who study different group of insects, butterflies, tropical beetles, tropical wasps, parasitoids, and you can collaborate with them in description of new species which can be found in some distant areas where it can be difficult to collect, but nevertheless, this material can be extraordinary, interesting, and very valuable. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe, press like, and write your comments.